Hi guys, it's Jessica Wilhelm. Today we are in Oak Ridge, Tennessee at 102 Nolan Road. This beautifully updated basement rancher sits on 3/4 of an acre, has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a spectacular backyard. Let's go check it out. This beautifully maintained basement rancher has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and sits on 3/4 of an acre. Your formal dining room leads into your beautiful sunroom. Look at this galley kitchen. Now I know most galley kitchens are narrow and cramped. Not this one. You have plenty of space to prepare your favorite meals. And if you don't like stairs, that's fine. All the main living happens on the first floor. You have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths up here. Downstairs, you will love this cozy little nook. Which leads you into your fully finished basement. Out back, you have this massive deck and already established garden. If you're moving to East Tennessee and want to see this home or more like it, give me a call. I'm Jessica Wilhelm.